Introduction. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's exciting lesson where we are going to explore the hardware and software inside the computer. Have you ever wondered how your computer works? What makes it run and do all those amazing things? Today, we'll discover the parts you can see and the things you can't see but are very important. Let's dive in. What is hardware? First, let's talk about hardware. Hardware includes all the parts of the computer that you can touch, like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and even the parts inside the computer like the CPU and hard drive. Let's explore some common hardware. Monitor. This is the monitor. The monitor is like the screen of a TV. It shows you everything that's happening on your computer, from games to videos, and even your homework. Without the monitor, we wouldn't be able to see anything on the computer. Keyboard and mouse. Next, we have the keyboard and mouse. The keyboard lets you type letters and numbers, while the mouse helps you move around and click on different things on the screen. They help you communicate with the computer by telling it what to do. Scene 4. CPU. Now let's talk about the CPU, which is like the brain of the computer. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, tells the computer what to do and makes everything run smoothly. It processes all the information so you can play games, watch videos, or even type stories. Scene 5. What is software? Now that we've talked about hardware, let's explore software. Software is the set of instructions that tells the computer how to do things. You can't touch software, but you use it every day. Let's look at some common software. Scene 6. Operating system. The most important software is the operating system. The operating system is like the manager of your computer. It helps everything work together, from your games to your internet browser. Some common operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Applications and programs. Next, we have applications or programs. These are the fun software programs that let you do things like write stories, draw pictures, play games, or even watch videos. Word processors, drawing programs, and video players are all examples of software that help you create and have fun. Internet browser. Don't forget the internet browser. This special software lets you connect to the internet and explore websites, watch videos, and search for information. Common browsers include Google Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Browsers help you connect with the world online. Conclusion. So, now we know that hardware is everything we can see and touch, like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. And software is the invisible programs that tell the computer what to do, like the operating system, games, and internet browsers. Together, hardware and software make the computer a powerful tool for learning, playing, and creating. Thanks for exploring with us today. Keep discovering all the cool things your computer can do, and see you in the next video.